Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 11th. Yesterday was a classic consolidation day in the same range that we have been in for an eternity, what it feels like. We have been here since February 3rd. Yesterday was just an indecision candle. We went to the 50-day moving average, saw some rejection, held above the 9-day moving average. In the grand scheme of things, yesterday is probably not going to be remembered for too long. What about today? Today we have CPI. All right. I'm going to move to the hourly charts because that's what we're going to discuss mostly. We have CPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, likely drives the action for today apart from more news out of the Iran situation. In yesterday's daily analysis, I had said price will likely stay choppy in the afternoon session unless Trump comes out and organizes some press conference. He did, and that also helped us stay in chop, but just in a bigger range. Overall, we held above the hourly 50 MA. Overall, yesterday above 606, bulls were in control. And despite the mine news or other bad news that was coming out, we stayed in that bullish territory. What does that say? That says a lot because yesterday, even before market open, there was some news coming out about Iran making deals that Israel has to give Netanyahu, or they're going to start mining Strait of Hormuz or things like that. Market didn't care. In the afternoon, it was confirmed that Iran might start putting mines in the Strait of Hormuz. Market still stayed in bullish territory. That's a very clear sign. Once the market starts ignoring bad news, it's something one must notice, especially when combined with the factors like we had a failed breakdown at the start of this week. All right, so let's see how things proceed from here. But so far, that's good. That's good combination of events. All right, for today, your neutral territory is this area from 606 until 611. All right, in this range, there's not much to think about. Obviously, CPI can just knock us out the park right away in the morning session. And if it does, great. But this is your neutral territory. If we start to hold below 606, bears can take control. And then we have our levels at 603 followed by 600. Those are your levels to the downside. What about on the upside? Above 611, we likely go to 613 area, which we hit yesterday. If you guys remember, yesterday we had said above 606, the targets are 610 and 613. Both got hit. So again, for today, above 611, we have 613. That's a major resistance. After that, we likely go for this gap fill from 615 to 616. All right, so we go to around the 616 area, which has been at the top of the range all the way since early Feb. So those are your levels for today on QQQ. What about SPY?